Okay. Um, Hi everyone. So, have you ever woke up and wonder how do you make a window like this? In make a window like this, we can try to make a very simple one. Um, wow. To make a window, we need to talk to the uh, computer. Like we use we use the assembly language. This one, and we talk to the hardware. We have the CPU, the RAM. You got the RAM. Wait, I have to make a RAM. Yeah, to make a RAM and other component. Oh, my handwriting is bad. Yeah, and we need to make a lot of instruction. We have to make instruction. Yeah, like 1,000 more, and it's very complicated. So in order to simplify that, we're going to use a C, and we can use the outside library like SDL3. Yeah. Okay. We can go to here. What is SDL3? So SDL3 is like a cross-platform library designed to provide low-level access to the audio, keyboard, mouse, joystick, and graphic hardware. Yeah. So yeah, do we have SDL3? We need something that we use to um, compile that. We need GCC, and think to link all the library in SDL together. So we can use pkg config, config. Yeah, pkg config 32%. Okay, but how do we get the library? I'm using Mac OS, so let's use how to download SDL3 for Mac OS. Not sure how it works, but I think it will work. I don't. Well, I'm going to use the a command line like this. So, oh wait, that's way too far. CD user CD my name only. Wait, not that's not. Yep. So let's use the uh, uh, command line.
Works for rather, I shouldn't say compiled.
Huh. Okay. Hey.
Hey, what's going on, folks? It's Mike here. Welcome back to my SDL3 series. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at how to build and get an application running on the Mac operating system.
It is loud enough.
So we're going to be compiling from source code the latest version of the SDL library at the time of this recording. But the instructions should work regardless of what version is out there. Again, it's going to be compiling from source, which is a great skill to have. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive over to the Mac and get this library built. So once since you're at the libsdl.org website, let's go ahead and download the source code for SDL.
The source
And
code.
again, we're looking at some version that is 3 point something at this point for all these
Yeah.
versions.
Let's see. Official release.
Repository. And if you want
3.4.
particular tag here, again, the one that I'm looking at
Oh, yeah, I'm going to use ARM64. We can use ARM64.
You can also download the zip if you want as well, if for some reason the clone is not working or you don't have GitHub installed. So let's go ahead and start that process. And again, I've got this mostly empty directory here. I'll talk about the sample here in the code above, which you can see, which is empty. But let's just go ahead and copy in, or rather clone that repository here.
Oh, okay. So we need a GitHub page for that. Repository. Do I use this one? No. But wait. I think I can use the repository. How do I download this repository? We need this link with that git clone. Oh wow. SDL official git. Right here. Should be right here. This correct one? Is this really correct? SDL3 code. Yeah, it should be this one. Is this the latest version? I think we don't have to. Let's go to SDL3 front page. Let's go here. I think we use this zip file right here. So we have SDL3, and well, let's organize them a little bit. Where's my file? I don't want. Let's make a new project in here. Window project. Let's make a window project. Let's move it. Go here. Wait, no. Go to document. SDL3. Go to the window project. Yep. DL. Wait, that doesn't look really good. Well, let's use the README. It's a quite you can find instruction. No, not this one. It's still MD. Oh, yes, this one is the correct one. Can I really use this? How do you use the DLL? Yeah, I don't know. Wait, can I? I think I should use the GitHub one. SDL3 GitHub. Wait, when does it update? 18 hours ago. Wait, what version is this? I hope it's the latest version. Latest release. Oh, it's here. How do I download that? Oh yeah, it's here. SDL web image. It should be this one. Is this the correct one? Yeah, I think we can copy this one. Make sure that you have this one. Make sure that this work on your laptop or your computer. Yeah. Okay. I think we don't need this one. Let's move to the trash can. I don't know how to use it. Bye bye. Window. Okay. ls cd document cd window project git clone this link. Yep, we have all the file cd sdl. That's the wrong one. Yeah. Yep. Let's see what's the next step.
And that'll just take a moment. Now, while that's cloning, a few different things that we're going to need
I
prerequisites.
really like this piece right here.
Version 3.28, let's say.
Do we have?
Relatively recent versions. Please go to deck.
Wait, I think I don't have a CMake. Nope, I don't have a. Let's try to have a CMake.
And if you're on Mac, put your polygon here. Just download the DMG here. And
Okay. CMake version. Yeah, we don't have the CMake for Mac OS. Download CMake S84 installer. Do we need to do the zip? Oh,
drag the install into your applications, and it's relatively simple to install. I'll show you how to use CMake. The other thing that I'd recommend is Homebrew.
Homebrew? I think I have that. Yeah, I only have. Oh yeah, I already have it. Brew version syntax highlight. PKG config. Yep. Oh, just for those you I wonder how do I have this layout right here and this syntax highlighters. So I use something like power level 10k. Yeah, I use this one. Just go to the video and yeah, just use it on your terminal. I use item 2, so it's relatively straightforward. Yep, you can use it on your terminal, but it just looks something like this, really weird. Yeah, so I use this one. Okay, let's go back.
Okay, which is also known as config. Install videos, which platforms, and I mentioned.
Do I need CMake? Wait, if I have Homebrew, right? I can use brew install CMake. Does this really work? Let's go to CD. Let's go to the home brew install CMake. Let's see if this works. Oh, wait, it works. Oh, yes, very cool. I think it should work. CMake. Oh, yes, I don't have to do anything. Yep, it worked. Nice.
Look at how to set up SDL in 3 different environments. So stay tuned for that. But now that
Kinda late.
let's go ahead and return back to what we're focused on here, installing the SDL library from source here.
SDL
So
library.
this SDL folder here. Let's go into it.
Let's go
and
into
you'll
it.
find the install directions here. We're going to be following the CMake directions here, and again, maybe later, again, as mentioned, we'll do the Xcode install as well. You'll find the install directions here, the SDL library from the source here. So again, I've
Go
got
to
this
SDL.
folder here.
Yeah, let's go to SDL CD document ls cd windows project cd SDL. Yeah, we have all the file here. Let's see, make list.txt.
To it, and you'll find the install directions here.
Oh, I think we can read how to install in here. Open.e install.md. Yep. So this is how we going to install SDL3. We can use CMake. How do we read it? Can we summarize this? CMake, Visual Studio, GCC, Xcode. Not really.
We're going to be following the CMake directions here, and again, maybe later, again, as mentioned, we'll do the
Intro
Xcode
CMake
as well. But the main thing that we're going to want to do here, let's find that install file here.
Install file.
Let's see, where was that? So
install
docs.
Oh, we got the doc here. The doc here. CD doc. Oh, install. Wait, that's a lot of file. I think readme iOS, not this one. GDK hello.c. Where do we find it? Oh wait, I think intro cmake.md. Intro yeah. cmake.md. Yeah, that's right here. To introduce SDL with CMake. The easiest way to use SDL is to include it as a sub project in your project, starting by creating a simple project to build and run. Get a copy. Yes, I did. Create the CMake list file. How do we make this?
Intro to CMake. Docs. And again, we've got a whole bunch of instructions here. Let's just look at the intro for CMake briefly. Again, this is going to be sort of our minimum CMake file here. But as far as the directions go, there's some Windows-specific directions here. But mostly, it's just asking us to make a build folder.
Make a build folder.
And do a build. Then that folder. Sometimes you don't do the builds in the folder. It doesn't really matter here, but that'll be easy for us to keep track of. But let me go ahead and just illustrate it for you. So from the root directory of the SDL library, and it's going to navigate there. We'll make a build directory. We're going to move into the build directory.
Okay. CD. Yeah, go into the root directory. Trying to make a build of folders. Yeah. So let's just go inside. Let's go to build.
And I'll run CMake and basically I want to look up a directory.
Look up a directory.
So if I look up a directory here, I'll find this CMake list file here, and it'll build in this folder a make file.
Okay. CMake. Run. It looks like hacking, but it is not. Yeah. Is that the function?
Of course, if you want to build a source code file or some,
my bad.
project,
I'm sorry.
to do the compilation of the SDL library, you can do that.
Cool. That should be done.
Now, something again that might be interesting is if you poke around the SDL library in the documentation, you'll also see different options for CMake. Like in the example folder, for instance, there is some more flags if you want to compile all the examples. We're just going to focus on getting a project ready. So let's just go ahead and compile this and see if this works, or rather, I shouldn't say compile, but
Oh wow,
set up our
that's a
CMake
lot of dust.
to generate a make file for us so that we can compile the SDL3 library. And once we do that, then we'll compile the SDL3 library, build our library, and test it out on our example. So it looks like it worked here. If for any reason you have trouble with this, you can try to follow the dependencies that are listed here that you need to install, and then just use a tool like brew, for instance, to install things. So anyways, let's go ahead and from our build directory, you'll see it generated a bunch of files.
Yep. Yeah, we have lots of file. We have CMake uninstall, CMake file, cpack config. I think what we need to pay attention should be this one, I guess. Is this correct? Make file. I don't have any make file. Oh, here. Yep.
Make file that is interesting. And that's SDL3.pc.
Yep.
For that PKG
Yay, it's work.
tool that was mentioned here will be useful. So let's go ahead and just run make. I'm going to do a parallel build here.
Parallel build? What does this mean?
16. If you don't want to do that or it doesn't work for some reason, just run make. And this will basically build our SDL3 library here. And hopefully...
I think we can use make. It's good enough. Make... let's see... 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 27... Wait, well, it's actually not midnight right now. Well, I'm in the library with a bunch of people, so I try to keep it down as much as that I possibly can. Yeah. Okay, let's see, what do we have? So we have a new file, this one, test dilib version. I think this one is the more important one. Yeah, we're gonna use this a lot.
Trouble here, but then it's building for our specific Mac operating system here.
Cool.
So it looks like it built a...
I think it should work on the window. I mean, it's basically a portable. Yeah.
Library. And we should see these shared libraries with the dilib suffix here
Yes.
to ensure that, that they work out. So now what we're going to do here is one more thing here. We're going to run make install.
Make install.
Sudo make install, because it might need to be a super user for this. And this is basically going to save the paths here, wherever this build directory is, to our library. So it'll be easy for us to link in the library to our C++ source code.
Oh, so I think make install.
Type in your password for your Mac here,
make
and you'll see it installed.
make install.
Directories wherever.
I think we don't need the sudo. Sudo make install.
Okay. All right, so now that we allegedly have SDL installed, we can go ahead and test this out.
Yes.
In theory, again, I like using that PKG config tool. Again, if you don't have that, brew install PKG comp, I guess, was the trick for that. Let's just go ahead and run it. Let's see what happens here. That might make us want to like update a bunch of stuff here.
Wait, do we have PKG config? PKG config? No, I don't have. Brew install PKG config. Oh, my hand. It's hurt. Cool. Done.
But anyways, that's the idea or the command that you might need to run here. I'm gonna cancel that because I'm pretty sure I already have it. But anyways,
PKG config.
what that does here.
Wait. Let me try. PKG config. Yep, everything worked. Well, luckily that I have a syntax highlighting That's why I have this green one right here.
Is installed.
Pikachu
So look
config.
for this file, which is installed with the
How do I?
install
I
command.
think I have on my
And
phone.
then run pkg config and look for the library location.
Library
of
location.
SDL3, for instance, and it'll have that set up as well.
Pikachu config. Lib SDL3. Oh. For those of you who wonder where this one, let's just see. Let's go to the root. Go to the root directory. CD. We go to obt, and we go to homebrew, and we go to local lib. I think we go to obt again. Obt. Yeah, I think it should be in here. No, it's not. It should be at the lib. Yeah, cd lib. Yeah, it should be in here. SDL3. SDL3. Wait, where's that? SDL3. Oh wait, you go to local. So it's not in here. It should be somewhere in the system. Yeah. CD. Do we have to go to local? No. Oh, well. See, let's go outside. CD. Local. Yeah, it's here. USR. CD local. CD lib. Yeah, it should be in here. So whenever we compile a file, it will using pkg config here. It's going to here pwd. Yeah, it's going to here, and it's going to find all of this. Yep, pretty cool.
Link our paths that must be the dynamic libraries where they're installed.
CD user.
And additionally,
let's go to my directory
as well. Simply look
cool.
in that location. Let's actually just cd into user local. I should have a s
pkg config, pkg config, c flag, SDL3. It's in here. Yeah, it should be the here. It should be the same as this. Yeah. Oh, okay. Nice.
3 folder here.
3 folder.
SDL2 folder as well. Because, as we know, we have
Yeah, I have no idea
again,
what I'm doing, but I will try my best. I will try my best.
And we should be pretty much set up here.
Pretty much set
go
up.
back here and build a little project here. So this is my main CPP that I have here. Got to populate it with a file, so let's go ahead and do that.
In this video, he's going to use C++, but we are going to use C. Yeah, we can make it SDL3 example. Yeah, we're gonna see like this. Let's try to make a very relatively normal window with this one. Yeah, so let's just go. We need order the library. Yeah, let's make a live cd document. Let's go to our project, our folder, cd window project. let's touch window project, window init dot c. Yep. Okay, let's go to open window init. Let's go to tab. Yeah, we need all the library first. Define SDL main use callback 1. Define SDL main use callback 1. Main use callback with an S 1. I think we really need to use the callback instead of main. Okay, let's use callback instead of main. Okay, need all the library, another library, SDL.h, include SDL3, SDL.h, SDL main dot h. Yeah, because the main function is renderer to draw into the window every frame. So I'm going to make a pointer, static SDL window. Yeah, this one is a pointer. I don't know what we will do, but let's try. Static SDL renderer. It's good to slow down. Renderer equal no. Okay, we use this renderer to draw into this window every time. Use this to draw into this window every time. This function run once and start up. Yeah, I'm not a good teacher. Okay, SDL app result. SDL app init void app stay in RC charge RV. Okay, SDL set app meta data. First window version 1.0 and I think we don't need that. I think we don't need them. Do we need this? Maybe not. Yeah. Okay, let's have a condition first. If SDL init video SDL log couldn't cannot initialize SDL percent %s SDL get error. It's error. This one is a function. Yeah. Return SDL app failure. Okay, another if, just to make sure everything work. If SDL create window renderer fail, create window and renderer. Do we need to make this one? Oh. Yeah, I think we can make that. Way too complicated. Should I? Example. Let's try how to SDL tutorial in C. I think this video right here. Oh man. No. What?
Welcome to Programming Rainbow. In
No.
this video, we will start a new series. This will be the beginner's guide to SDL3 in the C language. Okay, so if you want to follow along with this video, you can go to the direct other package pop.
No.
It's also
Oh, that's pretty good.
and SD and TT. We could do the same thing, right? Various
Entry point.
deal.
Include. This tutorial, he's going to use the main function, but I think I will follow the SDL callback here. Yep, let's see. What can we have? How many batteries?
And we're going to use a couple other things. I'm going to use
Yeah, I'm
bool,
going to
so
charge
I'm going to add in std bool. We're going to be doing
STD bool. I think I don't.
it becomes more important when we
yeah.
bring.
Do we need that? Maybe later.
Mix.
In it.
So
Initialize everything. Initialize. Yeah. This function. Initialize window. So we can use bad comment. But
the video brings on the video.
init video SDL flag. I think we don't need
Right.
that. Game init struct. Oh, we're gonna use.
And this
if we
again
use,
changes
I
from
don't really have this
SDL2.
one. Yep.
SDL2 used to return 0, which is counterintuitive. 0 is kind of the good path was 0, but
Create
0 also
renderer.
means fault. 2
SDL app init flag.
is down to the
SDL
bottom of this
Yeah, I think
function. I
here.
want to return true.
SDL init video. I think he make a flag right here, but I think we can try to make that. I think app init will handle it for us with all of this. So I think we need to make the flag. Return
We're
true.
not actually passing anything in yet. I'm going to add another function now.
Another function.
I'm calling it free. It's freeing all the memory, basically. And this will be void because it's not going to, none of these functions that I'm going to call in here are
SDL game free. SDL with
or exit failure. No, free. We'll be growing out.
I think we're
and we
going to
don't
use
even need all
that
this.
later because I think we have this right down here. Yeah, app quit. Yeah,
We just need I run it. So it's just telling me it errored.
create window and render.
It's
Let's see.
options in SDL2. I can't remember what they are,
Create
but
window.
they kind of all right here. Call them window type.
Window title. Oh, I think we can use
And
that.
make sure on these pound defines that you don't put a semicolon or something or an equal sign in them.
Should we use the
I
window
always
title?
do this and I always forget. So
How do we use window
yeah, I
title? when
always
you-
mess it up. But if you start getting some weird behavior and you can't figure out what it
here.
is, go check your pound defines
think it kinda
first. I
wrote
always
in
put
here.
mine in the same, like one file in the same spot, and I could just go look at them and make sure I didn't put a semicolon or equals or something like that.
Yeah, I think we can use the window title. Let's choose the window title. Define. Define window title. First window, basic window. Basic window. Window width, window height. Yeah, I think it's going to help a lot when we have this define here. Define window width 800. Yeah, I think it's good. No, what happened? Define window height. Try to capitalize it. Window height 600 is good. 600.
So we got window width. It's got a null
Create.
pointer or not. That's how we know
Create
if it
window.
succeeds or not. It doesn't need to give us a boolean back. It just gives
I think
us
they
either.
can group it. I think he can have them separate. In here we can group window and renderer in the same place. But he's going to have the window and the renderer.
A populated pointer or so what we're gonna right SDL create window. Now we need the title, which we already have in our pound define, and we need these two, which we already have in pound defines, and this one is just going to be 0, and it's going to return a pointer, which we're storing here. So this one's going to be window
Yep.
title, and then
SDL create
window
window.
width and window height,
Create window.
and then 0. So that's pretty easy. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this same right here, error.
Window width.
And what I want to do is make
Window
sure that this
title.
pointer is populated. So I'm just going to say if,
Window width. Width
and I'm
only
using
come
bang because I
before
want
height.
to know if it's not
Window.
populated. If it
Window.
is in fact null, then something has gone wrong.
Window height 0. That is. Why do we need a 0? Not. No, cannot understand that. Okay, SDL log. Oh wait, my bad. SDL log. Well, let's raise my hand a little. Cannot create window. Cannot create window. So let's use an S. SDL get error. return SDL failure.
The one who dies with the...
No, the one who died. What? No. Resize a window. Set logical representation. Yeah, we have a window. We need a renderer. Yep. SDL create renderer. Do we have that function?
Toys?
No. You know what?
This amazing demonstration.
Return false. Do we have a function?
It's exactly like it is in SDL2.
Do we have the SDL3 create renderer? And do we have it? Yeah, I think we have it here. We're going to take the pointer to the window and the constant. What's the name of the window? No, name of renderer. Oh, it's here. Yeah, it's here. Create renderer. It's going to take the pointer to the window. I know we use this pointer here, inside the function.
It's this point. Window.
Trying to do it all.
Last in, first out. So this is, I brought the module.
We need a renderer. Delay. Why do we need a delay? Huh.
To
Create renderer.
there's a little bit. It's very.
Okay. Renderer. Oh,
Checking the null pointer.
the G. Do we wait? Do we have in the sample? Oh, we don't have to. We can just use this one. We can just use this one. Yeah. So we need a pointer to the window. A pointer to the window. We can just make it yeah, just go to the window. Make an address. This one we have the address of the pointer. Window with we need a name, right? We need a constant name of the rendering driver. I think it should be the renderer. Yes. Yes, it should be this one. Renderer. Okay. So if this one fail, SDL lock. Fail to create renderer. Is an SDL get error. Okay, and return SDL failure. Yeah, we have a window renderer. We need wait, what is a logical representation? Set renderer logical representation. Set a divide independent resolution and representation mode for rendering. How many battery do we have? 22. This function set the width and the height of the logical rendering output. The rendering will act as if the current render target is always the requested dimension scaling to the actual resolution as necessary. What does it mean? I don't know. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Let's draw renderer. Set render draw
0
color.
and 255. So if all of them are set to 255, that's white.
Oh, I think for the init function, we need to make a window, a renderer, and call this function. That should be all of it. Yeah, that should be good. Let's follow the SDL. This one. Wait, where's the example? Here. Logical representation. Do we need it? Logical usable render targets and render window. Let me ask ChatGPT. Should we ask ChatGPT? Do we need SEO? Yeah, I don't want to, but let's try it. Do we need for long-term project of SDL window with scalable and maintainable Apple project? Bad prompt. Do we need no, you don't need SEO, but for a long-term scalable project, things like it or equivalent abstraction. SDL with logical representation let you define a logical resolution and then handle scaling to actual window size, data parsing, stretching behavior, coordinate transformation. It's basically SDL handling the virtual resolution layer for you. If you are the scale dot resolution, multiple aspect ratio. Yeah, I think we will need this because in the long term we kinda need all of this one. And use it for something to reduce workload and bugs. Business purpose control. No, we don't need that. We just need to make a relatively simple window. That should be good enough. For most long-term project, yes. Cool. So that's why they use it here. Okay. Should we make a comment right here? What do we need this one? Initialize S video. Initialize SDL library. Okay. Goodbye. Why do you need this one? Create window. SDL create window. Create window. Create window specific. Make a window. With titles, height, width, and height. Title, width, and height. Create a renderer. SDL3, create renderer. Why do we need a renderer? Create a 2D rendering context. To the rendering contest for a window. Yes, yeah, that should be good. Okay, so we need we're gonna need this one. It's gonna help in the long term. I don't know if ChatGPT is correct or not. Set render logical representation. Well, let's raise my hand a little bit. Wait, how many battery do we have? 21. Yeah, I need to charge it. Renderer 640, 640, 480. I think it should be the same at window width and window height. Yeah, I think it should be the same as that. This must be window width, window height. Yeah, that's why we make a constant right here. Very useful. Logical representation. Letter bus. No idea what that means, but I think it should work. SDL logical. Oh wait, no. SDL logical presentation letter box. Oh wait, I think they have it in all the flag in here. Yeah, with high concentration mode. Yeah, right here. Oh, letter box. So we're using this one. Rendering context fit in larger dimension and other dimension is letter boxes with the clear color. Yeah, let's make a comment in here. Do we need an if statement? No, we don't need it. Let's make a comment, copy this one so we know what this does. Clear color. Paste. Yeah. Okay. And so yeah, by now battery. Yeah, so that's all for the init. Or for the init, return SDL app continue. Okay, done. That should be for the init of the program. Cool. Just to make sure that it works. Let me close all this unnecessary things. Bye bye this one. Notability. Bye bye. Not sponsored by the way. I continue. How do I run that one? I have it on my phone right here. pkg config. Useful command. Okay, I think I have it. Okay, let's try to compile it. Let's make sure that it works. ls gcc window init.c and use this $signs pkg config. I think we don't, it's way too small, so let's just use it like this. pkg config c flag lib SDL3 closed in the bracket test. Oh no, something is wrong. Incompatible pointers. Oh yeah. No. Oh no, it doesn't work. Wait, how about I try like this one? Try to change the order. pkg config lib SDL3 window init data C oh test. Oh yeah, this doesn't work for the window. Oh wait, why it doesn't work? Oh. I wonder why. Static window renderer. Oh no, why it doesn't work? Incompatible pointer type passing SDL. Struct to parameter window. Create window renderer. Incompatible pointer. Wait, just a warning. But why? Oh no. Yeah, I wonder why. constant charge. SDL constant charge. Oh, the link kind of failed. Wait, how do he run that? How do he run that?
And again, just looking at the SDL, again, just make sure if you're looking at any examples, that's what you.
How do he run that one?
You know, if you want a little bit more confidence, there's also SDL get version here.
Get
Which
version.
should show that you're linking against the local direct, which
Open.
gets errors here, which basically says documentation is correct and work. We link in optics pkg config -lib.
Oh yeah, pkg config. Okay, let's try it once again. Let's try it once again. GCC window init.c .o, and this one's the name of the executable file. Going to have pkg config. What will he do? Lib. Oh, you live. SDL3. Is that correct?
And SDL3.
Three.
Again, that handy tool will basically just find all the library paths for us. Now you can of course specify those manually, or maybe use some other tool, but I like using a particular tool. So let's go ahead and try that. And let's see, it looks like it's giving us a warning here about the library that was built for newer Mac.
Let's see if it's work. No, too warning. It still failed for some reason. Do I want to add ChatGPT? No, I don't want to.
Let's see if that causes any problems if we actually run it here. If we actually run it, it does not.
Yeah, let's charge my laptop. Charge my laptop. Alright, let's try to make this work and then we can have a rest.
Great. Now, there is one other thing that
Hey, why is this not working? Is this wrong or something? Two warning. Oh, why is it not working? What? Alright. I need help. Should I think I fail? Let's go. Oh, Oh yeah. Oh, I think I figured out. It cannot run because we are missing app event, app erase, and app quit. That's why it cannot run. Get a warning, incompatible pointer. Hey, why is it incompatible? It works perfectly fine. Wait, what if I copy this one, copy this bug, see if it work? Does it really have any warning? No, my bad. Copy, Control C, Control V. Oh no, not this one, this one. Copy and paste here. Yeah, let's try one more time. Cool. I think it's work. Just have warning, but it's not a good sign. Yeah, it's not a good sign. Window renderer. Yeah, but it's work, right? Use test. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Wait, test description. Sys abort. Yeah, something is not working. I think it's something wrong in here. The renderer and the window title, window width, window height, SDL create window. Wait, I think this example is kinda outdated. It's R21. SDL create window, SDL create window, window flag. Define transparent. Oh yeah, it's use resizable. Define. Yeah, we're gonna use flag. This flag right here. Or can be resized. Let's make it closer. Window resizable. Window resizable. Yeah, let's see. Let's remove the test. Try it once again. Still error. I think it's passing argument to parameter name here. Incompatible pointer. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one had a problem. That's why it's not running. This problem right here. Why is it not compatible? Automatic. Yep. Incompatible. Let's view renderer. Wait, how long did I record? An hour? Wow. No passing argument to parameters. Wait, why is it incompatible? What did I miss in the example? Window renderer. Yeah, they have it. Hey, wait, do I use this one? And default renderer. Yeah, let's just add GPT about this one. We should not rely on it, but this time. Hey, I use SDL create window and renderer. Instead of SDL create window and renderer, the pointer are not compatible. Let's see what we say. Alright, give you window renderer. Oh, this won't work. Huh? Let's copy a pointer. Let's see about to do copy, not original. Oh. Huh? Separate car. Ah, I see. Huh. What? Huh? Double pointer. So should be like this. Oh. Hey, why is the separate core? Why is that not working? It's not working. Not working. Oh, missing SDL2 style. API with SDL style. Oh, we are missing. You're not storing the return value. That's why it's not working. Return the pointer. Return the boolean. Huh. Oh. Oh wow. Signature is correct. Put euro create renderer. Oh, this is for SDL2. Wait. So this guy using using main function. That's why it's not working. Take away function return pointer directly. Function view pointer. Oh, so yeah, this one's not working. That's why. App init. Okay. So we have to use this one. Mouse pointer one time error compile. Okay. Yeah. Yes. This one, the arrow should be like here. We're going to need this later. Goodbye this one. Okay. SDL. Yep. SDL create window. And renderer. Wait, what's the argument? Contextual title. Oh, I think I have that. We have it in here. Yeah, very useful. Window title, window width, window height, and flag. What is the flag? Window flag. Oh, resizable. Did we have that here? Window resizable. Window resizable. And what's next? what's next? Need a pointer. Pointer to the window. Address to the pointer. Yeah, address to the pointer in the renderer. Address window and the address of the renderer. Cool. And SDL log. If this failed, couldn't create a window renderer. Send S. Yeah. SDL get error. SDL get error. I don't know. Return SDL a failure. Cool. Let's see if it's remove the error. Huh. Wait. Did I save it? Okay, let's try this again. Let's try to clear the screen. Oh, yes. So it won't work because we are missing the. We're just missing the app event, app iterate, and app quit. Okay, so that should be work. If we copy this one, copy in here. Oh wait, no. Copy. We're just missing a few functions, and yeah, it should work. Yep, that test. There you go. So in this summary, this function worked great. Yep, everything is working. So let's try to save it. ls. Yeah, we have a test. rm test. Let's just remove it. We don't need it. cd. Let's go to the home directory. Cool. Try to save it. Alright, that's everything for today. Bye bye. Yeah, thank you, Mike. I think I have to like this video. Huh, I did. And I want to try this one.
What pairs nicely with space gazing? A spacious new SUV. Rent from our newest fleet yet.
Okay, great. Wait, were you even listening? You haven't taken a single note this entire meeting?
yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.